हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मेरे चैनल का नाम है बुक रीडर। तो गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे अ ट्रू स्टोरी ऑफ सी टर्टल्स। इसका मतलब है जो पानी वाले कछुए रहते हैं उनका असली स्टोरी, मतलब असली कहानी। तो आइए चालू करते हैं गाइस। We were surviving and then believed sea angels in the summer that year. As we roamed to the coasts on the volunteers in the team show, same shallow pits with white egg shells nearby. Enquiries with the villagers revealed that we are turtle eggs. This come as a surprise. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. He decided to study these ancient currencies further. We learned that a beach where I had found the egg shells had been shelled and the public for nearly 1 month after people smiling silver bricks were caught in the area, but what I learned further shocked us the core. Turtle nest along the center coastline of state. There was a few people in very village who kept combing the beach in early hours of the morning. Thought it the year when the female turtle comes on shores to nest or lay eggs. She leaves behind and tail just like a track of wheel on the stand. The egg hunters follow this trail right up the nest, which is about half an meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal all the 150 eggs that are laid inside. These eggs are then either eaten or sold in the market. If a turtle spotted while in staying lying, eggs is allowed to live till a laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. This ruthless practice is observed in the parts of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Statutory Eye of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. That means turtle have been given a much protection as tigers. Therefore, all the business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles in carried of the instant secret hush hush manner. The information of distracting we began to think secretly about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. तो गाइज, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। सेकंड पार्ट पढ़ेंगे हम कल की वीडियो में।